There's like a water fountain, waterfall slash something. We're gonna cross. Alright, sweetie. We're gonna cross and we're gonna go over there by the water fountain, okay? Okay, let's go. Hold on.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Waterfall. There's a little waterfall.
Oh,
Look this way.
let's see. Let's go.
I can't see. You can't get over there. Hold on, wait up.
Look,
I can't get over there.
right here.
Is it safe to walk in these people's grass like this?
Look, I'm running more down. Let's go into
I don't know where the water is coming from, but it seems like the water is coming from right here because there's nothing beyond this right here. So, and it goes all the way back down there. This is a nice neighborhood, I like it. I think I would move here. You like it too?
Let the water sit down, go down.
You like the water?
No, I get to go into
No, no, hey, what I say?
Like, no, I want to go into
No, you got my friend. Can you go up there? What's up there?
Oh,
I don't know what's up there. No, let's go this way.
wow,
There's a lake.
wow.
Wow. There's a lot of water.
Another water.
I know there's lots of water.
Look, look, look. This is the water.
Careful.
Go down. Let's go in the water.
Yeah, there's no water. Yeah.
More water. No, Daddy, I think the water there.
The water is dirty, but
No, Daddy.
it's nasty.
Mm-hmm.
Everything.
Let's go outside. Let's go more.
You wanna go more? What if we get lost though? I mean, this is like a dog park.
Let's go anywhere.
No, but we don't have a dog.
Huh?
This is a dog park.
Which one?
You want to go? No, stop. Don't go no further.
That way.
Okay, stay right here.
Okay.
She wanna go stuff in the water.
Where's the stuff? That water.
No, she's not.
Let's outside. And look at it.
Don't go no further. Right here.
Idea!
Yay.
Where's the other?
Huh? Yo, that's nasty. Throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. Yo, you're nasty. Oh, that's an apple tree. What kind of tree is this?
Oh, yes. This is apple.
It's an apple tree? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
Idea!
You did it.
Your turn.
My turn. Alright, give me one so I could do it.
Okay.
This is me throwing a rock in the water. Alright, ready?
Set, go.
Oh.
Let's do it again.
I did it. Let's do it again. But we gotta go. Yes. It's time to go.
Let's do it again.
It's time to go, Pumpkin.
No, I want to try the water.
Oh.
No.
Oh. That's far enough.
Let's do it again.
You want to do it again? What? I mean, today is after all her day, so I kind of had to let her do what she want to do. Well, you be careful, okay? Don't run. Yeah, she wanna, keep throwing rocks and stuff in the water. You wanna do it again?
Yeah.
All right, one more time. That's it, okay? We're gonna go back now because we gotta go open your gifts. Okay, you got gifts. So I gotta go open it, and I probably have to assemble it because I'm thinking it's not assembled yet. Okay, that's the last one. Okay. Okay, let's go now. No, we gotta go open your gifts. Be careful. Okay, that's it. All right, let me get your hand now. No, be careful. Okay, come. That's it.
Mama.
No, okay, thank you.
Daddy.
Okay, give me a hand. All right, guys, we're gonna head back now. So I'll see you guys back at the house.
Daddy.
Bye.
Yeah. What's that?
You know to ride it? That's not how you ride it, Pumpkin. I'll teach you in a minute. Don't go outside and I'll teach you, okay?
Go.
Alright, let's go outside.
Yeah, that's right. Daddy, Daddy, I'm not
No, it's not an acting mask.
Huh?
It's not a mask. It's something you gotta ride. Put on
I'm
your
not
head.
in my head.
Okay, jump in the box.
Huh?
I gotta ship you back. Let's go. They asked for something in return. They said they give me the bike for free. Only if they can get the birthday girl. Okay, get in the box.
I want that.
Stop, bend down. Okay, come up the box. I'll see you later, okay, Quentin? You're gonna be fast shipping, so you don't have to worry about nothing. It's almost on time. Okay, come on. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go open your gift.
Yay.
Alright, let's go, sweetie. It's time to open your gift.
Yay! Let's open my gift.
Yay.
What's this?
Alright, let's go.
Mommy, here. Mama, how?
I don't think you want to come out.
Here.
I don't think the fork's going to come out. Alright, pull it. Alright, pull it. You're not strong enough, sweetie. Okay, let's try this. There we go.
My cake! Whoa!
Okay.
It's my cake to edit.
Yeah, let's put it together. Of course, they give you a manual. Can you read? Read it. Tell me the instruction. Instruction.
Daddy!
Yeah.
That's the cake
That's the
now.
charger.
That's the charger is there. Okay, that's the charger.
That's the charger. You probably have to charge it before we use it. What did the book say? Did the book say charge it first?
Push. Push. Oh, shit on her.
Not funny.
It is funny.
Okay, go ahead,
Be
baby. It's
careful.
okay. It's okay.
Okay, come on. What you doing? You get it off or you stay up?
Okay, push. Good girl. Keep going.
Okay.
It's not working. Push with your feet. Go ahead. Push with your feet. Abby, pay attention.
Get on. Okay, ready? That's it? High five. Yay. Alright, you did. Okay, leave it alone. Alright, no. Okay, fix the right knee pad. There's nothing wrong with it. Look at me. You have to keep holding on. Don't let go. Alright, stop. Okay, stop. You have to stop. Alright, fellas, and that's all she wrote. It was a fun day. I have a lot of fun with her. She liked this one a little bit more better because I guess it's because it's electrical. So all she gotta do is just press a button and it's go time. So yeah, she liked this one a little bit better. She actually having fun. She know what she doing. She don't have to pedal. All she gotta do is just stand and press a button and it's gone. So you know, she's over there having fun right now. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go back there and I'm gonna have a little bit more fun with her. But that's all she wrote. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends and your family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, y'all.